Hi, good morning. My name is Vishwas Putige. I'm the business head of Amaze Solutions Private Limited. Today at MTEX, we've unveiled our new machine, the metal 3D printing machine. We call it as the STLR 400, the Stella 400. This is one of the first industrial grade metal printer machines which gives you high productivity of components to be manufactured through the printing way. So this is completely made in India by us, Amaze, which is a part of ACE Micromatic Group, and we have included some of the very advanced features on the machine which would give you excellent accuracy and high productivity on the components that you're doing. What you see here are things that have been printed in different metals. We do metal printing of aluminum, stainless steel, Inconels, titanium, and many other newer exotic materials. What you have on display here, this one part is the largest that you can do. The machine has 410 by 410 by 450 size millimeter volume, and as I explained, it comes with multi lasers with high power options, which allows you to print at a very high printing rate. So this is one of the unique features. We have multiple patents that have been granted to us by the Indian government, and recently we also were conferred with the National Startup Award by the Indian government, and IMTMA, our own organization, our group, has given us the Best Design Award for the machine. So we've been fortunate to receive both these awards in a span of less than 10 days time. So that's about us and the machine. Thank you.